Hi everybody, this is Joan from Jackson Camera Club. We're going to have a little fun today. A little bit longer than my last video I made the other day, but this one we're going to place an image in text in a picture. So instead of having the whole picture, you're going to see text. Jackson Camera Club is sponsoring this. And we have a Facebook page here. Please visit our Facebook page. Anybody's free to join and make helpful comments that have to be kind and nice on other photos so we can help people. This is the steps. You can probably just go back to this steps and get them in order of what we're going to be doing today. And they're all condensed, of course, but that's the steps that have to be done in order. Okay, first we're going to get a picture. And you're going to get your picture and you're going to duplicate your picture. So I'm going to hit my Control J and my picture is duplicated. I like to make them into layers when I work. Just a habit I have. Now we want to put a blank layer in between these two. So I'm going to click on blank layer and it went in. If it went above or wherever, you can drag it in between the two layers. That's no problem. You want to fill this with white. All you have to do is go up here to Edit, Fill, and make sure it's white. Oops. Up here it says white. And it did fill with white. And then we're going to select the layer 1 and I'm going to hit T. The T will give me into my text layer. And after that, I pick out a font I want. That's a nice bold one. Let's try this one. Okay. I'm going to put in the area I want to do text. We're going to need it bigger than 72. Let's put it. Okay. Let's see. And I'm going to make everything in capitals. And actually, to make it easier to see, I'm going to make this white here. Okay. Have a good day. Now that's too big because I want to put it on 2 lines, so I'm going to go over here and I'll go down to whoops, 500. It didn't do it. And well, let's try a different font. Got a better font before. This looks better. What you want, the better ways to do this is to find something with a big block type of font. As you can see as I go down here, you get a good look of a lot of your fonts. And if we choose this one, then we're going to want to go bigger again, but that's okay. And I like to go big and then add to it. In fact, I'm even going to go bigger. Okay, let's try that. Now, that's not a picture inside the text. Well, here's the trick to doing that. Take this layer here, the text layer, and drag it below layer 1. Now you can't see it. Aha! So we're going to take this and we're going to go up to make a clipping mask. And where's clipping mask? Layer, under layer here. Here it is, create clipping mask. There we go, and there, that's basically it. We go up here and refine it now. Whoops, I hit the wrong layer here. Okay. I want flowers in mine. And then what I could do after this is you can do a few different things. Create a different background color, which I don't like. Let's see. Oh wait, this is what I wanted right here. See this here? It says it's Cascades Manor. I wanted that in the picture, so that is good enough for me. What I'm going to do then is I'm just going to, and there I have it. Have a good day. Whoa. Edit, undo crop, because I did a mistake here. Love it when things don't go quite as you want. To go in here and grab this. There we go. There, we get enough of Cascades Manor there. Okay. Now I'm going to go up and crop out any edges I don't want. Maybe make it a little smaller there. And there. And now it's cropped. And there you have it. You can do lots more other things. You can have fun. Go over into layer styles. Do different patterns. You know, get rid of your original thing, but maybe you just suddenly thought, oh, I have a pattern I want to do. You know, just play around with them. The drop shadow here, you can see just a little shadow gives it a little bit of more depth to it. I like that. You can try different things to see what works good for yours picture and what doesn't, but just have fun with it. Bevel emboss, maybe on something else, but I don't want to get on that one. And that was a layer style. All I did here for the layer style was double click the gray area here and brought the layer style up. And that's about it. You can just save your picture from there and crop it and do whatever you want with it. But that's our fun way of putting a picture inside of text, just to give it a little something different. Thank you very much for watching. Jackson Camera Club. I appreciate it, and please go on our YouTube channel and give us a thumbs up to help us, and have a good day. And here we are. I'm going to end it here. So if you had a question of which layer I did what in, or which step I did what in, that'll give you a little bit better answer. Thank you very much. Take care. Have a wonderful day, evening, whatever time you watch this. Bye now.